How to fix payment unsuccessful on Roblox mobile. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will see how we can fix Roblox payment problem. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to launch your Roblox application in your mobile device and make sure that your account is verified. In order to look for the verification, navigate to the More option at the bottom right corner. Here you have to scroll down a bit and head towards Settings. Under Settings, tap on Account Info, and under Account Info, make sure that your email address or your email account as well as your phone number is verified on Roblox. If not, tap on your email address. There you will have a verification code in your inbox from the Roblox, and you have to verify using the verification code. Now, once you're verified, you have to close Roblox and then you have to open up Play Store in your device. Once you have opened up your Google Play Store, tap on your profile icon at the top right, and here tap on Payments and Subscriptions. Here tap on Payment Method, and under Payment Method, add your credit or debit card. Tap on Add Credit or Debit Card and make sure to provide all of your card information correctly. Once you have added your payment method on Google Play Store, now you have to open up Roblox. Head towards your home page. Here tap on the Roblox at the top right corner. Now once you have successfully added your payment method on Google Play Store, now you can purchase Robux on Roblox. And that's how you can fix your Roblox payment problem. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.